Hello guys, Richard here and welcome to GTA 4. Don't know why I did that voice for it. I've got to remember how to play this game now. Right, how do you run again? Is it Y? My feeling it's Y. Nope. Oh yeah, it's hold A. Right, let's go get some. No. Try and get a good car. No, policeman. No! Don't run me over. Should I just stand in the middle of the road, see if I get run? No. 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 No! Did I just carjack this guy? Now how do you get into... Is it Y? Yeah. Get in. Hang on, is the sound on? See if I can change the sound, audio. Ah, that's why. That's better. Actually, no, I don't like the music. Oh no, that's the radio, isn't it? Hello? Ew! Ew! No. Hello? Hello? Move, please! I'm a very good driver. No! You shouldn't have come into me. No, no, no. I'm sure this is supposed to how you're supposed to drive. Nope, left side. Try and power slide. Yeah, power slide. Didn't work. Probably should have braked. Hello there, policeman. Police. Wow! Oh! Oh! That was a good power slide. Wow! Hello? Let's go up here. What's up here? Oh no, I think there's people around. No, can I change the station? It's in here. Damn it!
Do you have any idea what I'm doing up under this bench while I'm looking down at you? I'm gonna have to retire to my quarters to think.
Oh, yeah, that's possible. Have I got anything to, like... No, have I got anything to hit someone with? How do you change it? I forgot. So to jump. I really need to play this game more. It's a good game. Multiplayer. Party mode. Player mode. Let's call someone. Roman. Let's do a job.
Hey, Roman, how about I drive someone for you?
Nico, you are doing Bellic Enterprises proud. Come get the cab from the depot. The fair is over and up. Take them to survey the height.
Awesome. Right. I need to go get a new car because that one won't work. Right. Let's go. Hello, Nico. You've got a nice Russian hat. I thought you were Polish. Is it Polish or Russian? I can never remember. They sound the same. Was that racist? I'm sorry if that sounded racist. I don't mean it to be. No! Run! Run! Carjack him! Whoa! You need to calm down.
Sorry, man.
Oh my God, what did I do?
You farted! I want to get that car over there. Okay. Going so fast! Whoa! Jump over them people! Awesome! It's, oh, nightclub. I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that.
Wait, I know it.
He said, did he just say I should run away and I know it? Oh, does this bounce? Does it bounce? No, move! I'm in a nice car. Kind of. It's actually quite horrific. Yeah. What? What? Wow. Wow. Am I going the right way? Oh, I'm going the right way as well. Woo! Awesome! This is definitely how you're supposed to drive. Hello! What's your name? Oh, money! I like the sound of dead money. No, just drive. That's a good one. Let's find... What's Liberty Rock? I'm gonna go this way because it's better. I'm gonna go around the roundabout. The magic roundabout. Why are you driving on the wrong side of the road? It's this way around. What are you doing? They're all doing it wrong. Skip. No, I can't see. Go. This is actually quite a slow cut. Yeah, man. Ah, I caught her legs. Pretty tough. Let's go around and around here. Around here. Then sure, right down. Woo! Damn it. You just said you're paying for it. I'm not paying for it. Woo! Look at that engine. I need a better car now. Mine's a bit oh, it's a fire. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. Don't worry. It's an RV. No, it's an ice cream truck. Even better. I'm thinking I want an ice cream. Move! You're on the wrong side of the road. This way? What's this? Oh, I don't know the option for me. Oh, I'm with the grass flattered. Glass. Hello? Hello, Roman? Are you here? I have a better car than your crappy black one. I have an ice cream truck. Woo! Awesome skills. Didn't work. Didn't even mean it to. So, yeah, it worked. So if you didn't mean it to do something, then it did work. Hello? I don't want to get out of my ice cream truck. Let's go to see Roman. Let's go to see Roman. No! Open! Open sesame! Open sesame! No! It didn't work. Is this one? Ooh, is this one? No! Open sesame! There was the button to open cars. Oh, well, why is it open cars? I'm not sure what's to open other things though. No, this is no. Radio broken. No, put your phone down. You can't drive. Whoa! What? How am I a terrorist, you racist bastard? Oh, you racist. Wait, who was it? Was it you? Oh, don't you look at me like cool like that. How do you attack people? Oh, it's this. It's this. Yeah, beat you up. You ain't got nothing on me. You ain't got nothing on me. No. No. Oh, you call me stupid? No, that's just wrong, man. No. I don't want to... No.
Break. I'm doing these
What kind of bastard? Well, I suppose I should end it here, guys. Well, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also subscribe to Hero Gaming 25 because me and a load of other people are doing a group of YouTubers, and we're gonna do like taxi. Run! Shall I get in a taxi? Right. Yeah. So
Okay, where to?
I want to go to Little Jacob. Dillon Street. That's my name, but it's an American!
I want to go to Dillon Street, yeah?
Hey,
I'm gonna bow.
okay, нет проблем.
$2? You must be...
Поцелуй моего ишака под хвост.
I'm gonna jump on it. I'm jumping! Yeah, so, I'm ready to... Oh, there's a nice car over there. Nice car. This is a terrible car, but it looks like a, what's it called it? Is it? Hang on. Is this a DeLorean? I know you can play DeLorean on Forza 4. What's another game we could play? Yeah! Come on, bird! Come on, bird! Woo! Let's do this! Let's do this! Alright, let's go, like, find a couple. They usually come if you kill a few people. Oh yeah, so I was saying I should end it. I probably should. Hello! 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 Is she dead? I think she is. Hang on, I must get out now. Oh, look, there's a police car and he didn't even notice me killing them. Hello! What's your name? My name's Jemima. Woo! Yeah, 500. My boot just went up. My boot just... Hello! Hello, what's your name? Woo! 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 Right, let's turn around so the police can catch up to us. Hey! Right, you're gonna die now. You've messed with the wrong chick. Right.